Hey, what's going on out there? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And the biggest problem I see with struggling marketers is getting traffic and getting eyeballs to their websites or capture pages or offers or blogs or whatever. And this is another fantastic place where you can get some eyes on you on whatever you promoting online. And this place is called Mr. Safelist. It's fast, free, and effective email advertising. Now, this is a safe list that's on the rise. I mean, it's been out about 4 or 5 years, and they only got 3,700 members, but it's a real active community of 3,700 people. So this is a place where uh, you'll get sent emails to your list email box, and you just click on other members' ads or messages and look at their websites and build up credits, or you can buy credits. You can upgrade and get more credits and do stuff. They even have a referral contest for 2018. I will also not only urge you to click on messages and look at websites and build credits, I will also urge you to become an affiliate, which is absolutely free. And you can get paid by PayPal when people upgrade. Of course, there's a threshold amount for uh, this place to pay out, but it's not that much though. You don't have to have that much to cash out, but you will see all that in the affiliate program or whatnot. And this safe list is free to join. I will urge you to sign up, promote your link, look at ads, and if it's something you like, upgrade. And if you busy, you can just buy credits and get your offers out there to the masses. So uh, this is a fantastic place. This safe list community is only going to get bigger and bigger. I know other marketers who really like this safe list, and you have nothing to lose because it's free to join. So uh, I've said in a couple other videos, I know it's other traffic exchanges and I know it's other safe lists. I know it's hundreds or if not thousands of them. I don't promote every traffic exchange or safe list. I just promote the ones that I think are going to be good. If I don't really know that much about, I only promote the ones that I've gotten results from a lot in the past, or the ones I'm currently getting results from recently. So I just want to put that out there. So if I promote a safe list or a traffic exchange, 93% of them I promote is because I've gotten good results in the past or getting good results recently. And about 7% of them is just a safe list or traffic exchange that I'm willing to bet on and think it has a bright future as far as people getting leads. Well, good leads and sales. So I just wanted to put that out there. But like I say, back to this, it's free to join. You can just look at messages and build up credits, or you can buy credits and then, get your ad out there. And I also, like I said, urge you to get an affiliate program. That way you promote your stuff and making a little money. So that being said, I'm gonna put a link below, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog so y'all can see all the other stuff that I got going on. I got a lot of online and offline stuff, and I got some good marketing resources at my blog. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful day. And also, yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. And sign up to Mr. Safelist. Like it says, fast, free, and effective email advertising. Y'all take care. Peace.